in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to schedule your YouTube live stream. Before now, I actually used to assume that, well, everybody knows how to schedule a live stream. People know how to do live stream. But I didn't realize that what I know is it's possible that some other persons do not know how to do it and they're having a hard time getting it figured out. In today's video, I'm out here to help you understand how to schedule a live stream on YouTube. And what's the importance of this? It is important for you to know how to schedule a post, because when you schedule your live stream, YouTube will help you, notify your audience or notify people that, okay, by this time you will be online. Now, when you schedule your post, you also have the chance to go ahead to share the link of that post with your external audience like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You can share the link with them so that by that set time they get to join in on the live stream, right? This is another way where you can get more views during your live stream. You can get more engaged streamers during your live stream. So it is very important to know how to schedule a live stream. All right, so I'm going to go on to showing us how to schedule a live stream. It's very easy. But before I get on with that, there are some things I usually put in place so that it is easy and fast for me. So the first thing I get to do is to get a topic. I'll go to ChatGTP. Either I create generate the topic from ChatGTP, right? Or I already have an existing one, and in this case, I already have an existing one. So I'm just going to type in the topic I want to talk about, and I'm going to ask Chat to give me a script, description, SEO keywords, and hashtags for the live stream, right? Including what's it called, thumbnail prompts. It's a 2 hours live stream. All right, so even if this live stream is not going to be up to 2 hours, when I finally get to do it, I always ask for a 2 hour script so that I don't run out of what to say. Now, during the live stream, when you live stream, especially for people who are still trying to navigate through YouTube, you're still trying to understand how to live stream. Sometimes you get lost for words, you don't know what you're going to say next, you don't know how to engage. So I asked for a 2 hour script so that if my plan is to have a 1 hour section, I don't run out of what to say. I can always, go back to my script, look at what to say next, and keep my audience engaged. Now it has been giving me the script, right? This is the intro. I have segment by segment. So this is the script I'm going to be using for the video. Like it's giving me description, just everything I asked for, right? It's giving me description, including the thumbnail prompts. Now for my thumbnail, what I do is I can either use AI generated prompts or I use Canva. If you want to understand how to use Canva to do a thumbnail, this video link showing up here, go ahead and just click on that and you'll be able to create a thumbnail by yourself. But if you also want to use AI, right, you want to use Meta AI, all you will need to do is to go ahead and copy this particular part of the prompt. Scroll down there, go ahead and copy this particular part of the prompts and take it to either Grok AI or Meta AI or Leonardo, anyone that you choose to use. In this case, let me use Grok AI, and that's because I have noticed that Grok AI often will give me Grok AI will often give me my results in the landscape I command it. But Meta AI sometimes it gives me just 9 by 16 instead of 16 by 9. So I'm going to type in that thumbnail prompt here and click on send. Let's see what it gets to give to me. So I have suggestions here. Like I said, I can easily just go ahead and create one by myself on my YouTube studio. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be picking one of these ones that have been created from by Grok AI because I don't have the time, right? So I'm just going to download it, right? So now I have my thumbnail ready. To head on to my YouTube app. This is it here, and I'm just going to click on the plus sign right? I'll click on plus sign and then I'll click on live. Now, when this is done, as you can see, it's already prepping me. It's already showing that I want to go live, but I'm not doing that yet. So I'm going to click on this pencil icon showing here to input all of those details. Remember, we want to schedule this post to input all of those details. So I'll click on this pencil icon up here, and then I'm going to take that particular thumbnail that I saved, right? I'll get that particular thumbnail. This is how it's going to open up. Don't fret, don't be afraid. Go ahead and just pinch it into size, right? Pinch it into size, reduce it so that it fits into the frame, and then you click on save. Now the next thing you want to do is your title. Remember, you already have your title. You come down here to your title and click on paste. Then when you're done pasting it, you go down and enter the description you have also copied. But then before you get to do that, you see where you have public, leave it at public, not private or unlisted. Just leave it at public. And the part where we have your audience, right, when they say is it made for kids or no, leave it at no, it is not made for kids. Normally, if you've already done the settings, it's going to be automatic, right? But if you've not, then go ahead and just leave it at no, it is not meant for kids. And then you move on to where you have your description, right? Go ahead and add up the description that you have copied. Go ahead and paste it there. When you are done pasting it there, you also go ahead and edit every extras, like those extra, things that you don't want, like the emojis and all of that. Remove all of those information that are not needed in the description, right? When you are done with the description part, just click on the arrow key so that it takes you back. Right now, this is the important part. This is why we're here. You see where they have schedule for later. Now you want to go on and toggle that on. Go on and click that, toggle it on. When you do that, you see it's already giving you an automatic schedule date, but no, you need to edit it. So you're going to click on that icon to pick the day and the time that you want the schedule to be for. I'm going to put Saturday, right? I want it to be for Saturday. That's tomorrow. I'll put it on Saturday and click on OK. Then choose the time. I'm going to choose 4 p.m. and click on OK. You can leave it at any time. I'm sure you already know when your audience is online and you know when you want to go live. So you go ahead and just click on the time that you want and fix that in and click on OK. When this is done, you click on the next icon and this is what you're going to have, right? It's going to give you that page and you have where you have go live and done. You are clicking on done, not go live, because you're not going out live now. You're clicking on done. Now on this same page, if you want to see edit the information, you can click on the pencil icon showing up here in order for you to have the page open up for you again, and then you can go ahead and edit the information. Okay, let's say it's time for the live stream and you need to access the scheduled live stream, right? Or you want to get the link to share to somebody. All you need to do is to click on the plus icon. It's going to open up like this. You have this part showing you live. The next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on the, what's it called, there's this calendar showing up here, right? This calendar showing up here, you see that it has a number written on it. That is showing that you have a live stream scheduled, right? You click on that part and then you have this information. What you need to do next is to click on the folder, right? It opens up like this for you. When you click on the folder, you can edit the information like I already mentioned, or share the live stream on your other platforms before you go ahead and start up the live. If there are people already waiting for you, you're going to see it here. It's showing up here zero waiting, right? But if you just want to go ahead and just live stream, click on that particular box, and when you click on the particular box, it opens you up to the page, right? It opens you up to the page and you can go ahead to start up your live stream. If you've gotten to this point, I'm really trusting that you got value for the time you spent watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel, and for you to be able to have better guide, more guide on how to navigate around YouTube. I have a playlist up here that you can watch in order for you to get direction on how to navigate around YouTube. Remember, I am Ali Vetru and this is Grow with this channel. And on this channel, you will get to learn how to navigate through YouTube just the same way I'm doing, because I am practically sharing my experience with you. Now, thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.